In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Copilot from your Windows PC. If Copilot isn't something you use or you prefer a cleaner setup, I'll guide you through the built-in Windows settings so you can remove it confidently and without any extra tools. Let's begin on your desktop. Click the Windows icon on your taskbar to open the Start menu, then select Settings. This opens the main Windows Settings hub where you manage most system features and installed software. Once you're in Settings, find and click the section labeled Apps. This is where Windows organizes everything related to app management, including installs, uninstalls, defaults, and features. Inside the Apps section, choose Installed Apps. You'll see a list of programs currently on your PC. To quickly locate Copilot, use the search box at the top of this page and type Copilot. Depending on your version of Windows, it may appear as Copilot or Microsoft Copilot. If it shows up in the results, that means it's available to remove from here. Next, select the Copilot entry to expand the options. On some versions of Windows, you might see a three-dot icon next to the entry instead of an expand arrow. Click that icon to open the menu. From the available options, choose Uninstall. Windows will prompt you to confirm, so click Uninstall again to proceed. If you see a permission request, allow the change so Windows can continue. The removal usually takes just a moment. Let it run until it completes. When it's finished, Copilot will disappear from the installed apps list, and the feature will be removed from your system. A couple of helpful notes as you go. If you don't see Copilot in the installed apps list after searching, it may not be installed as a separate app on your particular Windows build. In that case, there's nothing to remove from this menu. It's also possible your device is managed by an organization, such as a workplace or school, which can control what apps can be uninstalled. If you're on a managed device, check with your administrator. Finally, Windows may suggest a restart to finalize system changes. If you get that prompt, save your work and restart to complete the process. And that's it. You opened Settings, went to Apps, searched for Copilot, selected Uninstall, and confirmed the removal. You've successfully removed Microsoft Copilot from your PC. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.